Afternoon, all my friends. My name is Sindhueshan and I am the student of JCS Institute and I live at Sugandhapuli in Bakuda. So, I want to suggest you one thing that we already know that our lockdown is over, but till our school, colleges remain, we will not open. Because for this virus, we are we are also know this that one virus had attacked in our country. For this virus, our schools, colleges will not open, and we can't read anything, but we can read many things by online classes. We can learn spoken English by making calls. We can read tuitions by means by our WhatsApp. We can learn spoken. We can learn our studies by our online classes. Many type of apps just like Google Meet, Google Duo. It means in many type of apps. But for what this lockdown means, for this free time, we should learn spoken English. Means we should learn spoken English because means for getting bored means for not getting bored, we should learn spoken English. So I want to suggest you one thing that if you don't know to if you don't know to speak in spoken if you don't know to speak in English, then I want to suggest you that first of all try that. If you want, then if you do any type of mistake, type of grammatical mistake, then not issue, but you should try at first. Then everyone will love you. This is not fact that this is not fact to that this is not fact to can't say spoken English in a very fluently. So this is not fact. You should first of all you should try. Then if you want to try to learn spoken English, then nothing can stop you. So I'm giving you one example about me that means I'm when I admit here, means when I admit in this institute, then I was feeling very such. Then I was feeling very afraid that I thought that I can speak in English very fluently. So everything will laugh at me for my grammatical mistake. Then I thought that this is not fact to insult. Means if anyone laugh at you, then this is not issue. If you want to try, means if you want to learn spoken English, then then any type of grammatical mistake, then any type of mistake will stop you. But if you want to learn spoken English in a very fluently way, then nothing can stop. And the second one is watching news. Means we already know that in our television we have breaking news, and there are many type of languages of breaking news. It's like Hindi, Bengali, English. So we should we should see breaking news of the language of English, because if we watch breaking news of the language of English, then we can speak in English. Then we can get any type of sense of speaking English. So we can get many type of points. So I want to suggest you one thing, that if you want to try, means if you want to learn spoken English, or if you want to do something, then nothing can stop you. So that's all about this. Thank you.